Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the cabin air filter in this 2025 Toyota RAV4. Alright guys, go on the passenger side, open up the glove box, take everything out of here. And you have this latch on the side here, you're just going to pull it out. And next you're going to push in on the sides here and here at the same time, and this is going to drop. Alright, push in, this drops, and your filter's in here. All right, your filter's behind this cover. You're gonna squeeze these tabs and pull it out, and it slides out the other side. Now this is your filter. You just gotta pull it out. Now you can take off your filter. It just comes right out, but this is the only thing you have to worry about. In some of these, the Toyotas, it says up. If it says up, you know, obviously put the arrow up, but some of them say airflow. If it says airflow with the arrow, you want the airflow arrow to point down because all the air comes from the top. Okay. Now you're ready to throw this back on. Make sure it stays underneath these tabs. Okay. And you're ready to throw it on. When you put this in, it says up. So you are going to insert it. Now you got to put the cover on. To put the cover on, you're going to put the left side first. Like that. And just click it in place. Now you can swing the glove box up, and now you have to put this guy in here. You just gotta pull it and attach it. There you go. That's it. Put all your other stuff back in here, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.